There's a whole genre of games built right now to make you do one thing. That is to make you rage quit the entire game. Games like Level Devil and Trees Hate You bring in millions of people to not only play the game, but then watch people rage quit the game. As someone that has over 1,000 hours on Dark Souls from streaming, I can tell you I am someone that is not oblivious to rage quitting games. So I had AI make me a game that is built to make me rage quit the entire thing. It has traps set into it. It has every single thing that'll make it like evil almost. And to make things even worse, I have a rare Pokemon card here from I think 2004. And I'm gonna put this card right here. And if at the end of this video I don't beat all 5 levels of this game that I made for myself, I will rip the entire card. So before we get into playing the game, let me just show you real quick how I actually built it. Like I mentioned before, I had a slash goal running for 8 hours to build this game. And the prompt that I gave it is something along the lines of make this game almost evil. I want you to make it based off of the banger game Geometry Dash, but I want you to make it so hard to beat that it's almost impossible. And the best part about this video is that I've open sourced this entire game so that you can not only look at the code, I've also published it so that you can play this game alongside me if you want, just to see if I'm tripping or not. And on top of that, all of the audio you hear in the background is generated with Suno. So I had Suno recreate some of the music that we've seen in Geometry Dash, but a little bit more intense, as you'll see in like 2 seconds here. But again, the prompt itself was not crazy, and I want you to go play this game with me as I play this, so you know I'm not lying. Let's see if I can actually beat this game. Okay, so as you can see here, we have Rivet Down, Descend on Beat, Break Beautifully. We have 5 different levels. We're going to try to beat them one by one. And as we progress, they get even harder. You can see here the tempo here is 192. The bars get higher. The tempo gets higher. So they should be quicker. The audio with it should be more of like a banger. Before we even start playing, let's put on the AirPod Maxes and I want you to listen to this and let's see if we can beat level 1 of 5 of the world's worst AI-made Ragebait game ever. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God! I feel like I'm at a club. No way. Why did I start from the beginning? Okay, so when you die, you start from the beginning. Oh my God!
2,000 years later.
We did it! Wow! That audio is banger, bro. Okay, so far, the Deoxys is safe. We are not ripping the card so far. 1 out of 5. Let's go to level 2. Run it. Pressure line. Let's do it. Yeah. Oh, I thought I'd make it. Oh, bro, when you, like, everything tightens up a little bit when you do that jump. It's not good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you hear this? Sounds like John Wick. Oh my God. Let that music take you. Everybody, relax your inners.
1 eternity later.
Wow, it's actually getting scary. When you like have to hit those double jumps, it really makes you like tighten everything, if you know what I mean, bro. You're safe for now, Deoxys. You're safe for now. By the way, before we hit level 3, let me just say, if you're enjoying this video, you should sub. I made a video before, the Elden Ring one. Everyone was roasting me. I've had a lot more fun with this. Suno makes it like 10x more fun. If you haven't subbed already, we make videos like this every single week. We're gonna keep making better and better videos. And if you haven't joined the school community, you can do that. If you don't follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, you can do that as well. Okay, let's go to level 3. Oh my God, it's much faster. Oh my God. We got anti-gravity. Ow! Oh! Oh my! Not that bad, not that bad, not that bad. Oh! Woo!
2,000 years later.
Easy. Not bad, not bad. I think this was easier than the second one. You're safe. No ripping today. Okay, now I'm scared. I don't like this color. Orange is kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie to you. Whatever. Oh my God. It's flying now. Oh my God, oh my God. Damn. Oh. Oh my God. You have to do the whole level from the start. Damn. Feels good. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, 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 okay. I'm gonna break my keyboard. Ah! Yeah, this is much harder than I thought it would be. Okay, let's try again. Frick! Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on now. Come on now.
One eternity later.
Oh my god. Okay, level 4 was not a joke. All right, last level. We'll see if it makes it out. It took me 20 attempts in 10 minutes, but I'm not gonna lie, this is not easy. This is not easy at all. Oh, it's much faster. Oh, that's much harder. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, damn it. All right, attempt 26 already. This is a hard level. I don't know if it's gonna make it. I really don't know if it's gonna make it. Oh my god. Let's do it again. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Oh my god. What the?
One eternity later.
Oh my god. I don't have a timer going, but that took me like 20 minutes. Deoxys, you are safe. I can't explain to you. This video took me 30 minutes to shoot. I was definitely raging some parts, but I didn't rage quit, so the card is not going to be destroyed. But yeah, thank you guys. Hey, I could definitely make Ragebait games 100%. This, if you put a little bit more effort into it, because again, this is just showing you what bare minimum effort can get you. If you put a little bit more effort into this, take some more time, you can build a game that is built for rage baiting and rage quitting. Yeah, thank you for watching. You should sub, and if you didn't sub, you should sub, and if you didn't sub, you should sub. Thank you.